Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT. First, ensure you have both the Trust Wallet app and access to the Treasure NFT platform ready on your device. Trust Wallet is a Web3 platform that provides the interface to connect to independent decentralized applications, or dApps. We will use Wallet Connect, an open-source protocol, to securely bridge your mobile wallet with the Treasure NFT app. To begin, open the Treasure NFT Marketplace app or website on your device. Navigate to the Connect Wallet option, which is typically found on the home page or within the user menu. When prompted, select Wallet Connect as your preferred connection method. This will usually display a QR code on your screen, which you will need for the next step in the process. Next, open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Tap on the Settings tab, usually located at the bottom right of the screen, and then select Wallet Connect. From there, tap New Connection and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code visible on the Treasure NFT Marketplace. Review the connection details in Trust Wallet and tap Connect to authorize the link. Once you've approved the connection, your Trust Wallet will be successfully linked to the Treasure NFT platform. You can now securely interact with the marketplace, exploring NFT collections, trading digital assets, and participating in events. Remember to always manage your active Wallet Connect sessions within Trust Wallet settings. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to this fantastic book and other great deals. This ensures your digital assets remain safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.